Hi, I am Sayyid Rashid. You are watching Ahle Bayt High School and Junior College YouTube channel. Welcome to my video to all students as well as viewers. Today we are learning physics class, okay, CLSS class 12, or else you can say inter second year, INTER, inter second year, and our chapter name is electrostatic potential and capacitance. As per sequence, this chapter is chapter number 5. Hope you have done well in your previous chapters related to our physics. Now we are moving one step forward in our intermediate second year physics. So what is electric potential and capacitance? Here electric potential, what is electric potential here? Electric potential is nothing but work done by external force in bringing a unit positive charge from point R to P given by, suppose I have one electric charge, okay, with me. If I have an point R, okay, and on this point R I have an electric charge, I want to bring this charge to the point say on P. So I want to bring this like charge from R to P, that means one point to another point we can say. So here electric potential is nothing but it is a work done by external force in bringing a unit positive charge from, like we can say, point R to P. So here we can give a small formula like Vp into Vr is equals to like Up minus Ur by, here we can say Q, and what is here Vp, Vr, Up, Ur. Here we can say that Vp and Vr are electrostatic potential at point P and R, whereas this is like difference between these thing, that is this Vp and Vr. The electrostatic potential of a point is the amount of work done by an external force to bring a unit positive charge from infinite to that point. Means we have one more definition related to electrostatic potential, that like amount of work done by an external force. If I am applying some external force and from that external force there is an amount of work done, and this work done is purely for bringing a unit positive charge from an infinity to that point. We can say from anywhere to, like from infinite to a particular point. So now what is capacitance? Capacitance is nothing but, capacitance we can say that the ability of system to store electric charge. If an system having ability to store electric charge, this is known as like capacitance. Next we have few things with us, like there is an stationary conservative force. What is stationary conservative force? Coulomb's force between two charges that are stationary is conservative force. If I have two charges, okay, say charge P and charge Q, and in these two like charges we have some force, okay, Coulomb forces. So if that is Coulomb forces between two charges, that means COLUMB, okay, Coulomb forces, FORC forces, BETWEEN between two charges, TO2 CHARGES charges that are stationary is conservative, and this charge should be stationary, okay, stationary charges, and these forces are like conservative forces. Then potential difference between 2 points in an electric field. If we have an electric field, okay, with me, okay, and this and we have 2 points with us, like any 2 points. So potential difference between 2 points in an electric field is defined as the work done in a moving a positive charge from one point to another point. Next, potential energy of charge Q. In charge Q we have some potential energy. It is the work done by external force required to bring q from infinity to that point where the energy is acting. That means if I have some like charges, and in that charge we have potential energy. What is the potential energy in this? Means the potential energy of charge q is work done by external force required to bring q, that is charge, from infinity to that point where the energy is acting. So this is the basic thing related to the like electrostatic potential and capacitance, and this synopsis I want to place on your screen. You can go through. Yes, our next topic is potential due to point charge. So here we have electrostatic potential and capacitance. So what is the potential due to point charge? Suppose if I have one point charge, okay, I am having POINT, point CHARGE charge. So is there any potential due to point charge? Listen carefully. The potential at point with position vector r due to the point charge q placed at the origin is given by, here potential due to point charge usually given by V, okay, r. Here VR is nothing but like potential of point charge is equals to q by 4 pi epsilon naught r. So this is the formula for potential due to point charge, and this formula will be help you in numeric as well as if you are looking to write competitive examinations, like MPC student can go for JEE mains, MSET, whereas BPC student usually attempt NEET. So this will going to help in your examination. Just you need to remember this formula, potential due to point charge. Our next topic is nothing but potential, okay, potential due like to, we can say potential due to an electric dipole. What is electric dipole? Already we have come across in our previous chapter. Now we will going to learn like potential due to an electric dipole. The potential at a point with positive vector r due to an electric dipole of dipole moment P is given by V is equals to, we have one formula like 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P r vector, we can say, by r square, and here r is, we can say, less than a, very less than a. So this is the formula related to potential difference due to an electric dipole. Potential at a dipole axis, that is at q is equals to 0. In case if q is 0, P is given by, in this case, like if P is 0 means if like P, okay, Q, not P here, if Q is equals to 0, then P is given by, how we can write P, like V is equals to, same formula, just we need few modification. Here we need to use like plus or minus sign, whereas this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by r square, isn't it? This is the formula if Q is equals to 0. Next, the potential in the equilateral plane is 0. If we have equilateral plane with us, then the potential will be like 0. Next, if r vector is the unit vector, then the electrical potential of dipole is given by V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon P into r cap by r square. Here we can say same formula. If r is an unit vector, then V is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P r cap by r square. So these two topics, like potential due to point charge, potential due to an electrical dipole, I am going to place on your screen. You need to write this topic and you need to remember also, as you are learning these topics first time, so you need to work hard. I will going to explain same topics while we are in questions and answers in detail. As of now, just you can go to the flashes and glimpse related to these topics. Okay. Potential due to system of charge. Suppose I have systems, that means multiple systems related to the charge. Then what is the potential due to systems of charges? So here in a uniform charge spherical shell, the potential outside the shell is V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R, isn't it? So if we have systems of charges, like we have spherical things with us and we have multiple charges like plus minus plus plus minus, so then the potential due to the system of charge usually given by V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R. And next, equipotential surfaces. We have one topic with us named as equipotential surfaces. We have a small theory part related to this. I will going to first read and explain, then I will place on your screen. You can write and remember. Equipotential surface is the surface at which the potential at all point on the surface is same. Suppose we have one charge surfaced. We have one surface with us, say any surface, rectangular or square, any surfaces we have with us, and this surface has consist of completely charge. Then so on the equipotential surface, that means at all point of that surface the charge will be same. There is no difference in the charge. The work done due to moving a test charge on equipotential surface is 0. If we are just doing work done by moving a test charge on that equipotential surface, means the work done will be 0. No work, that means no work done happens, we can say. For any configuration of charges, equipotential surface through a point is normal to the electric field at that point. That means if we have some configurations of charges and equipotential surface through a point is normal to electric field at that point. So this is the two topics. Again I want to place on your screen, you can check and write. Next, potential energy of a system of charges. If we have some systems of charges, then what is the potential energy? So the potential energy of system of two charges, say Q1 and Q2, is usually given by U is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 into Q2 by R12. Here R12 is nothing but it is a distance between two charges, whereas Q1 and Q2 is charge of first and Q2 is charge of second. 4 is pi is pi, and epsilon naught also So here this is now to explanation part. If we have some two charges like Q1, Q2 in a system, and this is given by U is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1, Q2 by R12. So here R12 is the distance between two charges. Electrostatic force between the two charges is given by, if we are considering same this instead of energy force, then it will be given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here we have very small difference with us. Q1 by Q2 is as it is. Here instead of R12, we need to just remember R square. So this is the force. Now we have one more topic with us, and the topic is potential. Potential energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy in external, E-X-T-E-R-N-A-L, external field, F-I-E-L-D, field. The potential energy of Q at a position vector R in an external field is given by QVR, where VR is the external potential at point R. 1 electron volt is defined as the energy when an electron with charge q is equals to 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 coulombs is accelerated by potential difference of 1 volt, gaining an energy of 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 joules. The potential energy of a system of two charges q1 and q2 located at r1 and r2 is given by q1 Vr1 plus q2 Vr2 plus q1 q2 by 4 pi r12, that is 4 pi epsilon naught r12. The potential energy of a dipole moment P is uniform, electric field is Pe. So these two topics again I will going to place on your screen, but the topic is simple, that if we have potential energy of a like charge q, that charge is nothing but like unit at position vector r in an external field is given by q v into r, whereas here Vr is an external potential at any point, that is the external potential, and usually external potential 1 electron volt energy is defined by, as we know that q, that is q is equals to 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 coulomb, and it is accelerated by a potential difference of 1 volt, and it is gaining, that means what it is gaining, it is gaining same like 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 joules. So this is the topics very important, and this topic is really given in your textbook or any material, so vast and big, but I am just like doing short and explaining you the synopsis or summarized type. Just you need to listen my lecture and you can write what I am placing on your screen. Okay. That's all about our today's session and today's class, and we will going to continue same physics inter second year or class 12 electrostatic potential and capacitance in our next section. Till then, make sure write the thing which I have placed on your screen, and you need to remember, and you need to just remember this thing, very important starting point. So have a great time, take care. I am Syed Rashid. You are watching Ahlebaith High School and Junior College YouTube channel. Thank you.